Hello there, welcome back, and I have an unboxing to do because I've got my first package for my new layout. Let's see what's inside. So this is my 3-car Bachmann 158 DMU 3-car consist in the Transpennine livery, and will look right at home on my layout due to its setting, which if you watched my previous videos or previous video, you'll have a rough idea, but I am going to go back over it again in a moment with a little bit of a update and some sort of rough information on where I'm going with this project. So let's roll on with that. Okay, so this is my layout. Well, it's the baseboard with some string on it, and there's only one wall at the moment. So as you can see, this is a platform end with my new 158 sitting there looking very pretty. Various bits and pieces lying around just to plan certain areas, and there, right there by the window, is where the next extension will go. Now I'm going to go grab a stick from ground here. Where is it? There we go. You can't tell I'm dubbing this, can you? Not even close. But anyway, so the plan is the track, the baseboard, sorry, will be here and go back the way all up against this wall. All that there will get thrown out of a window or something like that. I'll move it somewhere, but that's where it's going to go. So there'll be 3 tracks coming down here to start with. There'll be the English line, the Scottish line, and the Heritage line, indicated by the green, blue, and red. So one going southbound, one going northbound. Heritage line, which is just placed there. I'll have to plan that later. I'm not overly happy with how it is, but it'll be something small and easily done. And this area needs to be done too, because I don't know if I'm actually going to use curve points or not, but I'll get back to that at a later date. So this section here is going to be something I still need to work on too, because I don't know if I'm going to put a double slip crossing in there, but I'll figure that out at a later date. Same with down here as well, because I'm actually contemplating more siding space. So as you can see, this is the area of the station. I have a rough 2-car side with a 3-car section of platform, so 2 cars in this one here, and then 3 cars in the other, and then this one hopefully housing 4 on the internal, and maybe 2 to 3 on the inside with a bit of a turning around space. So I can do a little bit of loco forward action with a steam engine, maybe some Heritage special or something. Haven't quite figured it out. And all of this, I'll probably need to redo it. I'm not happy with it, but I'm going to have some goods going in and out of here. Some like very, very light goods. This little space here, I'm planning on putting my controllers and switches for the signals and the the points and that kind of stuff. And all that there is the wood for the extension. I'm going to do that at some point, probably tomorrow, so I can get it all done, as I have track also coming tomorrow, so I can start laying it. So there'll actually be track here, like actually laid, and hopefully have a train moving back and forward. And yeah, that's all my model stuff. That's going to move somewhere at some point. I might build a table, but we'll see. But anyway, that is my layout so far, and yeah, hopefully it'll come to something. But like I says, it's going to be a weird layout set, sort of near Edinburgh. So the Transpennine livery trains coming from Newcastle would look the part. Some ScotRail stuff coming from the north. So I'm looking forward to getting this going, and hopefully you follow me on this lovely adventure, which is probably going to cost me too much money. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.